Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Remelda, and today I'm cooling everybody off today. All the drinks are on me. We are having tropical punch Kool-Aid. Let's do it. My granddaughter told me the other day that I am the best Kool-Aid maker in the world. Continue watching. If you're making Kool-Aid this summer, add some juice to it. Come on, let's do it the healthy way. God bless you. Now, you can always jazz this up for the adults. You know what I mean. Work it. This is rich, sweet, and delicious. Try some today. If you've watched this video all the way to the end and have enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment, be subscribed now, and be sure to hit the notification bell. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.